Hi guys, Dave's here. I'm over at my mom's house today and we're going to install a new door closer for a screen door here. Installing your little bracket here, it's going to have an arrow. This side's going to be towards the storm door. The flat part is going to be towards the door. So put your bracket where you need it. You're going to be a 1/4 inch away from the edge here. Mine's going to be pretty close to the top here. Hold it in place here and then make a mark. Take your nail and use it just for a punch. Next, get you a small drill bit like a 1/16 of an inch and drill in this place. That'll keep the wood from splitting. Okay, now we can screw it on there. Okay, your little arm here, you're going to need to stick the little lock mechanism here to keep the door open when you need to. Stick it on there, and we're going to take the little cotter pin and stick it in the hole up top. Stick your pin in the top. It should look just like that right there. Okay, stick your pin in the hole that you're using. If it's the glass door, it's going to go in the first hole. If it's a screen door, it's going to go in the second hole. Then hold it up to where it's going to be going and make you a couple marks. You might have to make you one, take the pin out, and then just go from the other one. Take my nail and use a center punch. So take your time when you're drilling. That's it. You don't want to go no further. Okay, stick your pin back in for right now and hold it up to the furthest hole. Okay, what I like to do is to get your pin back in there, pull your cylinder out, put your little lock at the end of it, then you open your door so that you can line your pin up easier. And it'll plop right in place. Then you can push your door open, take the lock off. There it works. That's all there is to it, guys. Anybody can do this. As always, thanks for watching.